What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all well. Today, I want to talk about Tellurian. I previously talked about this company as a high risk and high reward investment opportunity. The next couple of months could be make or break for Tellurian, and I'll elaborate more on this later, but right now I want you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Now, for those of you who aren't aware of what Tellurian does, here's a quick summary. Tellurian was founded in 2016 by two industry icons, Charif Souki and Martin Houston. Charif set in motion the first liquefied natural gas exports from the United States. He also founded Schneider Energy. Martin, on the other hand, originated the concept of LNG destination flexibility, ensuring that LNG became a commodity. Schneider Energy now is a multi-billion-dollar company, so investors including myself are expecting Charif Souki to make Tellurian a success as well. Tellurian has a cult-like following, and a lot of investors are banking on Charif Souki to lead them to glory. But Tellurian has one big hurdle in front of it. Tellurian's Driftwood LNG export project hangs in the balance as they need to secure funding due to liquidity issues. There are three possible outcomes for Tell stock that I want to share with you all today. The first outcome is that Tell starts producing LNG. This is the outcome we'd all love to see happen soon, but Tellurian has experienced some delays in realizing its ambitions for Driftwood, and its timeline for construction has been pushed back in the past. When the company first launched, it anticipated the start of construction in 2018 and the start of exports in 2022. Its most recent timeline now shows exports starting in 2023, and that hinges on the company reaching a final investment decision. But here's the important thing to look out for. Souki and Gentle are in India this week working to finalize a deal with New Delhi-based energy company Petronet. In September, the company signed a memorandum of understanding for Petronet to buy up to 5 million metric tons per year of LNG from Driftwood, but the deal has not been finalized. If Tellurian pulls together Driftwood's major contractual and financing elements within the next few months and construction goes precisely as planned, it is still possible that the company could be exporting LNG ahead of 2025. And guys, if this happens, then we can expect the share price to shoot past $5 with ease. The second outcome is the postponement of the final investment decision. Let's say they don't manage to secure an investment. Well, in that case, it is still possible the project could still be under construction or even still waiting to enter construction in 2025. Other high-profile LNG export projects have faced significant delays, as in the case of Cameron LNG, a Louisiana project owned by Sempra Energy. But any further delays means that Tellurian will be posting a loss, and it's possible that investors lose interest and move on to other stocks. Personally, I think investors won't lose interest, but it's entirely possible that some investors move their money out to make quicker gains elsewhere. Now, let's talk about the third possible outcome for Tellurian, which is that they get acquired by another company. It's important to note that Tellurian has done some important early developments on projects that would be valuable to other oil and gas companies, even if the Driftwood project doesn't move along as expected. It has a valuable site in Lake Charles with access to pipeline infrastructure and a water source that is sized at more than 1,000 acres and could potentially be bought to use for projects other than LNG. Overall, Tellurian's journey ahead is difficult, but if there's anyone that can pull this off, then that's the founder of Tellurian, Charif Souki. Personally, I have invested in Tellurian. This company makes up around 1% of my entire portfolio. I'll look to add to my position once Tellurian can finalize their Driftwood financing. Anyways guys, that's it from me. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.